Is sugar worse for your liver than alcohol? Have you ever thought that I don't drink alcohol, so my liver must be fine? I used to believe this too until I discovered this. 1 in 3 adults worldwide now have a liver condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, abbreviated as NAFLD. And it's not caused by alcohol but by sugar, refined carbs, and stress. And the scariest part is most people don't know they have it until it's too late. Have you ever felt sluggish or bloated even after eating a healthy meal? Let me explain why your liver might be behind it. Tap the I icon to watch our full liver health series. You will want to watch all of them. NAFLD means that your liver is storing fat not because of oil or ghee, but because of excessive sugar and refined carbs. Once more than 5% of your liver is fat, your liver starts slowing down. Toxin removal delayed, hormonal balance disrupted, digestion sluggish. And over a period of time, NAFLD can progress to NASH, which is liver inflammation, and then to fibrosis, which is scarring, and eventually cirrhosis, and you might not have any symptoms. Scared? Don't be. In a few minutes, we'll talk about how to reverse it naturally. So now you know that it's not fats but the excessive sugar and refined carbs which is there in your biscuits, fruit juices, ketchup, breakfast cereals, and even those healthy looking packaged foods also. But the question is, why and how does this happen? So what happens is, when you consume excess sugar or refined carbs, your liver can't use all of it, so it converts it into fat through a process called lipogenesis. This fat gets stored inside your liver, and over a period of time, your liver turns into a fat storage unit. Check your kitchen. How many of these foods do you consume on everyday basis? You might have NAFLD but not know about it. But your body is giving you signs. Constant fatigue, bloating, brain fog, skin issues like acne or dark circles, excessive weight gain, especially around your belly area. And even your emotions are a sign. According to Ayurveda, your liver holds unprocessed anger, frustration, and emotional heat. But here's the good news. NAFLD is 100% reversible in early stages. With right diet, movement, and herbs, your liver can regenerate. Kutki boosts bile production and cools pitta. Bhumiyalki breaks down fat plus detoxes. Kalmeg lowers enzymes and reduces inflammation. Triphala is your gentle daily detox. And here are some liver-friendly habits. Morning lemon water or guduchi tea. Avoid snacking all day and give your liver some breaks. Intermittent fasting of 12 to 14 hours is good. And yogasanas like Ardha Matsyendrasana. Want to know exact yogasana to keep your liver healthy? Watch the next video, it's coming soon. Think of your liver like your house's kitchen or your desk. It works great when it's tidy. But when you keep dumping things, sugar, processed food, or stress, it can't keep up. It can't clean anymore and it clogs. Your liver works 24/7 without getting any rest. It doesn't complain until it's overwhelmed. Give it the rest it deserves. NAFLD isn't a death sentence. It's a wake-up call. And you have already taken the first step, awareness. Now let's act. So if you are ready to go one step deeper, we have something powerful coming up next. The yoga routine to help your liver boost digestion and calm inflammation. These movements and technique helps your liver to perform its function optimally, and it feels amazing. See you in the next video.